Welcome to Kex Construction Engineering. Building Construction, Part 1B Superstructure. Drawing column and wall layout. Setting out for kickers. Squaring and marking of kickers. Formwork for kickers. Fixing formwork to align as marked. Casting of 75 mm kickers. Formwork removal. Ready to receive column reinforcement. Fixing of column reinforcement. (450 by 225 mm column. (225 by 225 mm column. Provided sufficient lap length according to BS code. Column reinforcement well fixed to the starter bars. Ready for block wall laying. Setting out for masonry work. Marking of door openings. Laying of 225 mm block walls. Marking of window openings at window level. Inspection of the walls laid. Ready to install precast lintel. Installation of 120 mm depth precast lintel beam. Wall and column reinforcement well aligned. Laying of the final block wall at the top level. Formwork for column. Proper bracing of the columns before casting. Formwork completed. Ready for casting. Casting of the ground floor columns. Casting completed. Formwork removal. Ready for staircase construction. Fixing props for staircase construction. Formwork for staircase. To be continued in Part 2. If you love my work here, like my videos and subscribe to this channel. See you in Part 2. Thanks for watching.